Hello guys, I'm Deva. Hope you're all good and safe. So today I'm going to share some information about generative AI. So generative AI is application of artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithms using deep learning techniques and technologies to generate new data. Examples of these data include text, images and audio. These data usually relied on human inputs and skills, but generative AI makes their creation time efficient and cost effective. So some of the well-known examples of generative AI models most include the GPT-3 and GPT-4 large language models developed by OpenAI, which powers its ChatGPT, chatbot, and daily image creation, and BERT large language model used by Google. So it is important to note that there are three main generative AI models. These are generative adversarial networks or GANs, transformer based models, and variational autoencoders. So GANs have been used to generate a variety of data such as text and images. Transformer based models have been applied to a variety of natural language processing tasks. Variational autoencoders are used for complicated generative models of data and for fitting them to huge datasets. Some of its uses include generating images of fictional people and some higher resolution digital artwork. So I will share some advantages of generative AI and its applications also. So generative AI fundamentally works by using existing content to generate new content. So, however, from a more in-depth look, it is driven by unsupervised and semi-supervised machine learning algorithms. The machine learning model is trained on a large dataset, and this model is used to generate new and original data that resembles the data in training sets. So, the main advantage of generative fundamentally centers on reducing dependence on human involvement in data and content creation. Nevertheless, because of its capabilities, the technology has marked a new era in data generation and content creation that is set to disrupt several processes in different sectors, industries, and markets. So, I will show some advantages and applications of generative AI. The first advantage is data generation and data interpretation. One of the more specific advantages and applications of generative AI is that it can generate new data in a more time efficient and cost effective manner. This is useful for accomplishing tasks such as data organization, data processing, data augmentation, and data generation for unpresented and or underrepresented groups. Furthermore, it can help in analyzing data and understanding complex systems. Some of its notable applications include converting satellite images to map views to investigate new locations, so transforming medical images into photorealistic images, and generating marketing data based on collected data about the target market or consumer behaviors. The efforts and applications can help improve data-based decision-making process. Generative AI reduces the time needed for data processing, synthesis, and analysis. Furthermore, it is also reduces dependence on human-generated data, which can be both time-consuming and expensive, while also reducing human-generated errors. Second one is content creation and creative applications. It is important to highlight the fact that generative AI can be used for different creative applications centered on content creation. Specific models allow the creation of new and original content such as text, images, and music. The ChatGPT application from OpenAI has the capabilities to write long-form text, compose lyrics, and even write and debug codes. So these are models that have been made available to the public either for free or as a commercial service. DALL-E is a free but limited service from OpenAI that can create original and realistic images and art from text descriptions and natural language. Canva has integrated an AI-based functionality for editing and creating images in its app. Third one is time efficiency and cost effectiveness. Another notable advantage of generative AI is that it reduces the it makes process fast and inexpensive. Remember that it facilitates and expedites the data and data analysis without the need for human involvement. This is beneficial for data-driven organisms or data-driven process in which time and budget constraints are the main operational hurdles. Note that there are commercial services that are set to replace certain occupations such as writers, graphic designers, photo and video editors. So Quillbolt and Grammarly replace editors. Lexis and Westlaw have introduced AI-based services that replace legal researchers. So I will share some disadvantages of generative AI and its issues. So furthermore, considering its applications and other potential, the technology has also raised concerns about the misuse and abuse. ChatGPT and other AI-based writing applications have been used to write academic papers. Image generators have also been accused of copyright infringement and violations of personal data and privacy rights. So I will share some disadvantages of generative AI. and so it is needed for quality control and data accuracy. One of the main disadvantages of generative AI is that the data or content for a particular model generates or produces still needs to be subjected to inspection. There are several instances in which a particular model has produced low quality outputs characterized by inaccuracies and lack of relevance and questionable results, among others. ChatGPT is a prime example. It cannot provide responses to prompts about more recent events. It also produces ambiguous and repetitive answers to particular questions. Google Bard was criticized for an advertisement with the wrong claim that the James Webb Space Telescope with the wrong claim was used to take the very first pictures of planet outside the solar system. Okay, and it is important to note that this can result in biased results of the if the training set is biased. These results affect both the quality and reliability of outputs. So second disadvantage is that it is ethical. There is an ethical and legal issues and considerations. The introduction of ChatGPT in November 2002 was introduced with both enthusiasm and criticism. It remains one of the more robust chatbots in terms of its capability to process natural language and provide human-like conversational responses. In enjoying public use has demonstrated that can be used for academic and workspace dishonesty. Using a generative AI service opens in an individual or organization to possible legal responsibilities. For example, aside from intellectual property infringement, a particular service can generate new data that could potentially violate privacy, and for example, it would be generating or sensitive information. So, this is the information about ChatGPT. So, thank you for giving this opportunity. Take care and bye.